Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Keller checking in with you and walking you through the proper steps of how to access our new ELA notebook. First things first, I'd like you to open up a window in Google Chrome and get to your student page from Buffalo Schools. Once you're there, make sure you click on Office 365 and we're going to log in. I am using a student profile so that way I can show you everything that you need to do for today. So you should be fairly familiar with all the Microsoft products, and all of those apps are going to be available to you over here on the left-hand side. What we're going to be using today is OneNote. You're going to click on OneNote, and as you see in this student's OneNote portal, you're going to see we're in the recent. Now, you're going to go to Shared with Me and find your notebook that was shared by Mr. Patterson and I. So, whichever ELA block you're in, it'll say ELA block 1, ELA block 2, ELA block 3, and that's going to be the one that you're going to select. Once you're there, you're going to have access to your notebook. Make sure that you're using it in a complete view so that your screen is not split. Otherwise, you may not see your name over here on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on your name, and under your name is going to give you a tab called Handouts. You're going to select Handouts, and it's going to give you 2 pages in your notebook right now. So you're going to want to think of this as like a spiral notebook, and inside, these are your 2 papers that you've written on. So the first one is called Tools in OneNote, and this is something that I created for you to go over all of the different things that OneNote can do for you. Okay, so you're going to want to scroll through that and get familiar with it. Next page is Success is Not an Accident. And you're going to take a moment and make sure that you fill in this document. In order to do so and to get text in here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you click on Draw up top and make sure that your pointer is right here. Click on that. So that's going to allow you to double click on this document anywhere and create a text box. Sometimes the text box can get a little funky, so you're just going to want to click it and drag it up to where you want it. Once you're here, you can type in, do you want to be successful in ELA class this year? Well, obviously. And you're going to take the time and you're going to continue to place those text boxes where you need them. Why? Why do you want to be successful? Well, everybody's answer is going to be a little bit different. So make sure you take the time and try this out, explore OneNote, and if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to Mr. Patterson or myself. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. Have a great day.